Welcome to Riko's Reading Room. Today I'll read an enchanting book called How to Find a Bird. I hope you like it. How to Find a Bird, written by Jennifer Ward. There are lots of ways to find a bird. That's the wonderful thing about birds. You find a bird, first you'll want to blend in and move slowly. Quiet is good too. So quiet you can hear your heartbeat. Don't just look up to find a bird. Look down, low to the ground, where some birds forage, seeking things hiding in the earth. Look down where some birds sneak snacks. Look down where some birds splash. If you take a walk, watch your step. Some birds nest on the ground. So don't just look up to find a bird. Sometimes you can find a bird by looking straight ahead. You'll have to have a sharp eye, sharp as an eagle's eye. Birds are the cleverest blenders of all. At first you may not see them, but if you wait, if you are still, and if you are quiet, you'll see you are just as clever as a bird. Of course, you can always look up to find a bird too. You can look up high in the sky where birds fly. Sometimes when you look up, you'll find birds simply sitting. If you could perch high in the sky, what might you see? If you want to find a bird, don't be tricked. Some birds are stealthy. There it is. Wait a minute, where'd it go? Was that even a bird? Sometimes you don't need to find a bird. It will find you. Hello, bluebird. Some birds will announce their presence when they are near. Or announce your presence when they see you. Hello, Jay. And if you feed them, they will come. Then all you need is a window to find a bird. Some birds can't be found at all unless you read about them. These birds are extinct, which means they no longer exist. But the best way to find a bird, if you want to find one, is to close your eyes. Did you hear that? Did you hear that bird? That's the wonderful thing about birds. The end. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Have a great day. See you soon.